Hello guys, welcome back to Notipedia. Today in this video I am going to explain you stack in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. Stack. It follows LIFO, which means last in first out. That means only one end is open for entry and exit. So let me explain you this by giving example of ball in glass. As you can see in this diagram, this glass contains 5 balls and its other end is blocked, means this is a real life example. As you can see, the bottom of the glass is closed. Same in the stack, the bottom is closed. It contains 5 balls, and if you want to take out first ball, then what you have to do is to first take fifth ball, then fourth, then third, then second, and then first. That means if we want first ball, then we have to take out all the balls. There are many terms related to stack, that is, first is push. This is to enter any element in the stack, means enter any balls in the stack. Next is pop. It is to take out any element from the stack, as we were doing in the previous example of balls. What is stack overflow? When the stack is full, then it is called as stack overflow. As you can see in that example, the glass is full with balls. That means the stack is overflow. Stack underflow means when the stack is empty. When we take out all the balls from the glass, then the stack will be empty. Peep. It is to extract element from any position. Means if we want to extract second ball, then it means peep. Next is change. To change or interchange two elements. But these are not in the syllabus. So let's go to explanation. What is stack? Let's assume we have 5 balls in a glass. It is same like an array containing 5 places. If we put each ball one by one in the glass or in the array like this. Now if we want to take out the second position ball or the second position element, then we have to take out all the balls from upside, just cause only upper end is open. Okay, so this was the stack. Same means its bottom is closed, that's why only one way is open. You understand this and you can make program by using this. Okay, I will give you the sample program. I will read out the question for it. It is the program for push and pop, just cause peep and change is not in our syllabus. So let's start our program. Now the question is, register is an entity which can hold a maximum of 100 names. The register enables the user to add and remove names from the topmost end only. Remove names from the topmost end means it is a stack. So define a class register with the following details. Class name, register. See, we have put class name as register. Stud. It will be the array to store the name of the students. Next is cap. It stores the maximum capacity of the array. What is the maximum capacity in this question? It is 100 names. Okay. Next is top. Top, to point the index of the top end, means at which level the array is filled. Now member functions. What are the member functions? Let's assume this is our array or stack. So our capacity is what? Here our capacity is 5. Same as in this question, our capacity is 100. Okay. The topmost means top. What is top? -1. Here we have taken top as -1. Why we have taken top as -1? Just cause I hope you remember that array is array numbering is like from 0. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have the capacity 5, but here the topmost level, if it is empty, then the topmost level it will be -1, so that if we fill, then it will be converted into 0. So now we have used if capacity is greater than 100. It is not, I think it is not compulsory to write it again and again, just because the question has given that 100 is the capacity. So okay, now public void. So here member functions, first was int max. So we have constructed, it was a constructor to initialize the data member cap is equals to max and top is equals to -1. We have also created the array to store the names. Now public void push. So this is the program for push. Here I have written if top is equals to top -1, sorry, cap -1, which means, as I told earlier, the array name as from 0 to 4 and cap is 5, means if top is 5 -1, that is equals to the cap, then print overflow, means the stack is full. Okay, else stud, which is our array to store the names, plus top, means increment top is equals to n. What was n? N is the name of the student or a particular person that is sent by the member main function to this void push function. Okay, so now in increment means, if assume if the top value is second, so it will be increment, means it will be going to the third, and in the place of third element n will be registered. Okay, so this was the program or the logic for push. Push means to fill the array or a stack. Now next is public string pop. Public string pop was the member function. It is used to remove and returns the name from the topmost location of the register if any, else return the any of the sign. Here S or $sign is given. Okay, so if top is equals to -1, -1 means if top is -1, that means the stack is empty or the array is empty. Then print any of the sign or underflow. I have told you earlier that if stack is empty, then it will be called, we will call it as underflow, like this. Okay, else return stud top decrement, means if it is, what we have to do here we have to pop out the elements. Pop out means we have to extract the elements from the array. Means top decrement means if it is in second position, then decrement means it will go to, or if it is in third position, then it will go to second position. Okay, now the last comes public void display. This was the logic for pop. Now let's go to display. Public void display. If top is equals to -1, then system.out.println empty, means the stack is empty. And if else otherwise, for I is equals to 0, what is I? I is the position, ith position. First is ith position is 0, it means it will print the 0th position. I should be smaller than equals to top, means if in this array 100 is the top, assuming if the stack is full, then 100 is the top. I should be greater than 0 just cause 0 is the first position, and I increment means I will be increment and print the next element randomly. So here it becomes to n. I hope you understand each and everything, and if not, then please comment me in the comment box and ask your doubts. I will clear. And also, if you want any of the topic explanation separately, then please don't hesitate to ask me for it. I will make a separate video for it, and also I will provide you the practice questions and the previous year questions from this chapter or this particular topic for your practice. So do subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my all new videos. Thank you.